Tanzanian top flight side Simba FC have signed Samba after a successful negotiation with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko is set to receive huge sums of money in this particular transfer. This is media reporter Ekoso Ewo Tanzania and Kumasi, and so news I think 5 days ago ni Samba a player or attracted the interest of Samba for no make us 2 weeks ni on the whole all this one not Samba Unel South African club and a Dubai the ba konso by Dubai City and a Samba FC for ya ene nkrane chese wasign obono nso ebae ena Azam inti ekoye Azam ene Simba ena na Chelsea for the signature na enwumre ameno kase ene Wednesday 14th of January 2026 information a mense kan say obenya ko Samba no. Yes, information a mense kan no, even though say Samba for no embe making official but in central for omo Tanzania asase airport and na oba Ghana and central for bin so e wo Ghana airport to this same story say Kotoko defender no adjoining Simba FC of Tanzania. Also call Tanzania Simba no I say Asante Kotoko and Yanga no I say House of Folk. Tembia no Simba no ebu Yanga for no kakra. Yanga for no so bo Simba for no so kakra. Nti a very big club Tanzania ho me no ka say Kotoko defender and granite say all join you mo anesa. According to information be say canon, this deal is going to materialize because of Samba no the willingness for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to earn something out of this deal. But what I say, Samba per se ni free Kotoko no. Kotoko benya bibi from the whole move. Enunti ena Simba deal go through for him. When this deal go through, the news we are gathering is that it is huge sum of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and involved in this particular deal. Like I said, Samba Unel, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Fano on the free agent deal in 2024. In 2024, under Coach Prosper Ogum and under IMC no. I'm for a bo IMC na chi say IMC na buy no untimi win league and na players be ye twitwa mo contract but sometimes ye kasanso na ye the positives of the IMC no ama IMC no because it is the same IMC how they were able to spot a talent like Samba Unel no is something which we encourage them to continue doing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And by letting Samba go at this material moment or at the end of the season, Kotoko should be able to replace Samba with another top class quality. And I'm not sure Samba leaving will affect Kotoko, sir. Looking at Kotoko, Omo Make Chiro Ono, Asante Kotoko, Ewo Hamzata, Ono Krari Oko Trust no Aba, Ohen a formidable play na, Ubitimaka say, Onye bad, sir, and Ohe player ya, a Torebia One Hamzata, One Ibo, Senior Man Henry Ansu Edaswo, but Senior Man Henry Ansu no, and Crane yes, one ono so season banewe the contracts na swan Kotoko be shirano na oko abuchiri akọ bobo na wade dollars kakra but to be very honest over pitch no so technically over pitch no so technically say no player wey ni tipa uja echire hono mana obetimi abono player friend Hamzata na ebo and amafo me asemo a mistake and Zakaria Fuseni Zakaria Fuseni will break Chelsea no top notch no top notch and defender Kotoko link ne say amanfo link ne say omonkofa no na ombe replace Samba Alex Boache no the ball na obo no et say ene Santama na brekum Chelsea e wo Zakaria Fuseni na enti sa ohwe say Santama na Zakaria Fuseni wo Chelsea no ball na obo na enu bi na Alex Boache currently oboma Adriana, but however Asante Kotoko no oba it comes with its own pressure, its own challenges. It is the player for him not to be lazy, for him to raise up the performance to match the Asante Kotoko level. So over the backlog of Asante Kotoko, I won't speak as almost like defenders. Based on the fact that Samba do na oko Simba no sikane ye for Asante Kotoko and Kotoko Samba is going out of contract. So Okosisiana, what it means is that he's not going on a free agent deal. And over Samba history now, where a player the agency no, ayana wasayama wa 2 years. Once Osayama Kotoko 2 years. Until Osayama Kotoko 2 years in 2026 no, what it means the contract na ebaye na okofu free. And sana players na omoye under Samba mo agency no, sana omo working. Even though say agency no assassin in recent times, but players no saa na omusuban AI obeka say Kotoko find free ne contract with Congolese one and all no empty a signed Kotoko and Kotoko took him on a free agent deal through the agent na or the neba Kotoko no the players in saa na omusuban, but ohwe Samba na ono ano why self assessment who say there be me pa Kotoko no opportunities at club with the amameno. Meant now set mate now my contract no aso complete. Na me call without the club getting anything. Because who knows say obo no. This is the time man ni din apeja akosoro pa, to be real honest. Waka same way and run be who say oba so full lie. Tamana Kotoko young porcupines no ebebo ball no ba ho be chacha young players no uro mo bas no hala omo aminim sa na inkra na odo mu didia, but na we news about the say Samba no and Simba FC or Tanzania ewie na ye twen se Kotoko the details ne beba ye twen se Simba for no so the details ne beba time obi free Kotoko no ene time obe join Simba ni nyina no. It is subjected to the details ahead Kotoko ene Simba for ni nyina de beba, but the understanding is that Kotoko ene Simba for no are a conclusive negotiation on Samba Unel.